Looking at a 2005 Chrysler Hemi C. He's got an auto dim mirror and it's crap. So I got to put one of these in. What I'm going to do instead of taking the door panel and all the plastic off, I can just kind of peel this open. I can just get a little magnet in here and come on out of there. Ta-da! After you get this last one out, before you do, you kind of want to hold on to the mirror so it doesn't fall out and scratch the pretty paint. I can get at this connector. Boom. The bottom one's a little tricky, but that's what a magnet's for. I got you. I got you. Well, your moving functions work. Okay, I'm going to call this good.
All right. Sweet.
Easy job.